things I do for my husband that most modern women don't agree with. In no particular order, number one, submitting to him. I don't look at me and my husband as equals. He is my head, he is my leader, and I respect and treat him as such. And there's nothing oppressive about it. This man treats me like a princess, and I love it, every single minute of it. When you have a man who you know truly has your best interest at heart, it truly makes submitting come easy. Not always easy, but definitely worthwhile. Number two, I ask him for permission on certain things before I do it. Let's say
Hey, she better cut it out, boy. I know them women are in a uproar in them doggone comments. You gotta be careful when you say that word submission, because that really triggers a lot of them little chicks out there. Hey, submit. Asking him for permission? What you mean? When you have a young lady that vets correctly and she fully trusts her man, she can lay down that doggone guard and be her best feminine and submissive self. That's why that skin glowing like that. She's happy. They in a big house. Look how tall them doggone ceilings is. See, a lot of women are not going to be able to experience that type of life with somebody because they don't understand. They can't never look at the bigger picture, man. They so caught up in being so selfish. They don't want to hear nothing anybody else got to say. She got to be something. She got to be a pygmy. There is no way in the world she's really happy. She is. She is.
group of my girls and I want to go out to a place that we've never been before. I'm not going to just go. I'm going to ask my husband if he's okay with me going before I make any type of plans. And that's out of respect, because if he's not okay with where we're going, or if he's not sure about the location, then I'm not going to go. I also wash his clothes, I clean up after him, I cook for him, I serve him his plate, and I take it back when he's done. I cater to him. I literally cater to him because he's the king and he should be treated as such. And I let him have the final say on decisions. I trust his judgment at the end of the day, and I know that he's always open to hearing and considering my thoughts, but at the end of the day, he's the man. I let him have the authority, let him have the final say on what works best for us. And even if things don't.
Notice how she's smiling. She was smiling when she said it because she knows she gonna piss some people off with what she's saying, but she already know. Let's go. Cook, queen.
As he planned originally, I'm not gonna go ha ha and laugh in his face. I'm gonna still be by his side and support him. It's okay. Lesson learned. Now on to the next thing. Period.
Let's go. That's a W. Let's eat one. Let's eat one. That's a W.
We spend a lot of time on the left side of the internet. Normally, videos like this don't tend to go viral. They just don't. Like it's some women that may be down in the comment section that get some pushback or whatever, but most of the comments, just be celebrating. It be guys celebrating and saying, "Yo, that is a very, very lucky man." I personally used to be in a spot where I thought that it was best if a woman wasn't on the internet, because I know and understand what that comes with. Especially women that speak like this, it's going to be faced with a lot of backlash. So you got to be careful. You got to be really secure. You have to have a very, very strong foundation. And you cannot be bothered by the comments, what people say. And they even got to the point where they're doing reactions. They put you on podcasts. You might be in a thumbnail. It's some people, some women out there that, they got tough skin. They can deal with it. And on up until like maybe a few years ago, I started seeing the benefits of women like this that have the results. And when I say results, they have a husband or a man that they respect that's in their lives. Most of the time, those women, listen, I don't want no parts. I'm living my best life. I got a man that respects me. I respect my man. I have no reason to get out here and put out any type of content. I found what I've been looking for. And to those women, I would say, I understand. I respect it. But I am seriously grateful for women that speak out like this. Because there's going to be a lot of hyenas down in the comments. And they've been out there for so long, loud and proud and wrong, that always spit, most of those women are like pygmies. They don't really say too much. But you have a young lady out here like, listen, I respect my husband's judgment. You know what I mean? Yes, he gets the last say so. Yes, she is submissive. She's checking off those boxes. Not only do she cook, she clean, she don't complain. Dadgummit, good for you, man. Good for you. What do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? Do y'all think that women like this are pygmies, or do y'all believe that women like this are actual wives? They really embody what it is to be a wife. And there's no surprise to me. There's no surprise why these women have been, I don't want to say snatched up, but there's all the evidence points to a man making sure that women like this don't get away. Like, listen, I know what I got. I'm not going to mess that up for nobody. None of these chicks out here can't compare, can't compete with my girl. And listen, some people looking at her right now, they might consider her maybe a 5 or maybe even a 6, right? Maybe average, maybe a little bit above. I don't know, right? But to that guy, to her husband, 10 out of 10. Hunt them. I'm talking about a hunt. I don't give them Instagram chicks that's out there with the BBLs and everything or whatever that done had all this plastic surgery or even natural beauty. They still can't compete with my girl. Why? Because this up here, she possesses something that the other ones don't have. And that's a mindset. Listen, you can't buy that. I don't care what surgeon you go to. You can't buy that mindset, baby. It's either in you or it ain't. Leg off.
Blueberry, Burberry, butternut. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.